Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm so excited to delve into another fascinating English word with you. Today, our word of the day is assure, a B2 level verb meaning to promise or guarantee. Now, when we say assure, it means to remove someone's doubts or worries by promising or stating something confidently. For example, you might assure a friend that you'll help them move or assure your parents that you are safe. Let's explore some synonyms for assure ***, which can enrich your vocabulary. First, we have guarantee, which carries a similar sense of a firm promise. We could say the company guaranteed that the product would work perfectly. Next is promise, which indicates a commitment to do something. I promise I will call you tonight. And finally, we have pledge, which often indicates a serious commitment, often involving an official or public statement. The candidate pledged to lower taxes. Now, let's look at antonyms for assure ***, words that have the opposite meaning. The first is doubt, which means to feel uncertain about something. I doubt if it will rain today. Next is question, which suggests uncertainty or an inquiry. Don't question my decisions. And finally, we have disbelieve, which suggests a lack of faith or trust. One disbeliever story. Now, how can we use assure in everyday life? Well, you might assure your child that everything will be all right if they're scared, or you could assure ***, a customer that a product will arrive on time. We also hear people saying things like, I can assure you it's safe, or she assured me of her support. Some more examples of the word in action. You could say, I can assure you that this recipe is delicious, or the doctor assured her that the surgery was routine, or even he assured his boss that the project would be finished by 5 p.m. To summarize, assure means to remove someone's doubts by promising something. It's a verb. And we saw how to use synonyms like guarantee, promise, and pledge, as well as antonyms like doubt, question, and disbelieve. You also got some great examples of how to use the word in day-to-day conversation. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every word we learn takes us one step closer to fluency. Thank you for joining me on this episode of Hello Word. And now I want to ask you to please subscribe to our podcast and leave a review. Your support helps other learners discover our show and get on their own language learning journey. It really helps us, so please consider doing so. And now, finally, one last task for you. Try to create your own sentence using the word assure and share it in the comments below. It's a great way to practice, and we'd love to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring the amazing world of words. Goodbye.